Hello friend, this is Dylan from Multifit Solar. Let me show you how to choose solar cleaning brush in the fall and winter. 1. If your solar panel area is not large and it is easy to clean up in autumn and winter, you can choose 7.5 meters cleaning brush. One longer cleaning brush can help you clean the snow in a long distance more easily, and the cleaning brush can be used not only to clean solar panels, but also very convenient for you to clean high altitude facades, billboards, glass roofs, and those places you can't touch. 2. In these two seasons, had better choose double head brush, cause the rotating direction of two brush heads is opposite, which can effectively neutralize the rotating force and make our cleaning brush stable. This will give you more power to clean snow. 3. You can choose the dual power version cleaning brush, and the reason is that no matter where you are going to clean, always convenient. Where there is no socket, you can use a lithium battery to power the brush. Where you need a lot of continuous power, you can connect to supply power for cleaning. That's all. Thank you. If any need, please call and contact us.